Hi everyone, my name is Rahul. I'm an ex-JTC student. Today I'm sharing my previous experience with JTC. So before sharing my past experience with JTC, I want to share some few things about JTC. The first one is for JTC staff. So here staff is very good, humble, and they will provide you proper guidance on each and every phase of your training. The second thing is structure of course. So here course structure is very well defined for freshers as well as experienced. But some many people have just do hurry complete the course in a hurry. So I just want to say the main thing is not to complete the course. The main thing is that to build your concepts, to learn the basics on all the things of your core Java, J2EE such as J2EE technology and Java, JDBC, JSP, servlets, Hibernates, framework, and Spring on all these things, databases also. So let's talk about my journey. After completing my graduation with electronics and communication stream, I just want to decided to go for a government sector. So I'm just prepare for the government exams, and but unfortunately I'm not able to pick up my name in pick my name in a final merit list. So at that time I was totally hopeless, totally clueless, and I do not have any idea about my career. So just one day I just searched in a YouTube, and I suddenly got a channel named JTC India. So I just saw all the videos in their playlist, and I just talk with JTC and call at JTC, and I just ask each and every question which I have. So they will clear my all questions very well. And after talking with my family, I just finally I decided to join JTC. So I joined JTC, and after because I'm a background of electronics and communication, so I do not know a single word of Java. So I'm little bit worried about whether I'm able or not to do this. So here JTC staff again play a crucial role in my journey. In my during my training period, I got so much issues, errors in my code, and they will guide properly and resolve everything at my at any level. So I just learn firstly core Java, uh, J2EE technology, hired some frameworks of Hibernate, Spring, and all these things I have learned, and with real time environment. And after completing my training, I'm able to face the interview. So initially I'm not able to crack any interview because I hide the things, and I'm not go with transparent with Somsar. Honestly, hide the things, and so that's why I'm not able to clear any interview. So Somsal called me. I remember they called me, guide me, and said that it's so again. I just want to decided to work hard, genuinely hard, and all these things. So and now after that I will go transparent with Som Prakash sir, and I do not hide anything. So this is the main reason I have so I have many offers in from big MNCs, from different locations, and different locations. Currently I'm working in very good MNCs, and at a good package. I just want to tell the who have joined the JTC, or who have during their complete who have enroll in JTC. So you just focus on your concepts, just practice more and more. And I just here this is my journey in just in so I just want to thanks JTC, it's JTC staff, JTC and Som Prakash sir, and very thankful. I am here only because of you, sir. So thank you so much, sir. From the depth of my heart, I just want to only say thanks. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, JTC staff and all these things for this. Thank you so much, sir.